Hello guys, what's up? How you doing? Okay, so last time I played something. Let me just play it for you. I went up. So I'm on the key of B major, and what I'm just doing is okay, then for the second time I did. So it's just this chord that's changing to this for the last time. Okay, so this is the chord I landed with. Okay, then for the next time, this chord I landed with will change to this. So I hope you get the point. Okay, so this is like my 4 in the key of B. Okay, so let me break it down for you. Okay, so I'm going D sharp, G sharp, A sharp, then this full chord here. So on my left hand I am playing G sharp, E, F sharp. On my right hand I'm playing B, E, F sharp, and B again. Then I did an octave here. It's a D sharp octave on my right hand while I'm still maintaining my left hand. So it takes me to this chord. Alright, and on my left hand I'm playing A sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. On my right hand I'm playing C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. Okay, so that's okay. And for the next one, so this is an F sharp major chord, second inversion, while I'm keeping my left hand the same. Then I now went here. Okay, so that's the landing chord here. Okay, and which is the first chord I played before, and that is G sharp, E, F sharp. On my right hand I'm playing B, E, F sharp, and finally B again. So okay, and for the second time, so this is the only chord that is changing. Okay, so this is E, B, F sharp, B, D sharp, and finally G sharp. Okay, B, D sharp, and G sharp. Okay, so let's play it. You can still choose to do this for the second time. I don't know if you get it. And sometimes instead of playing it full on your right hand, you can just play. I don't know if you get it. So your right hand will play D sharp and B instead of B, E, F sharp and B. So okay, for the second time you can just really sounds soulful, yeah. Okay, especially when you have a string effect. Okay, unfortunately this is a grand piano or an electric grand. Okay, not the one you people know of, but you see Joshua has started calling a digital piano grand. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Alright, so let me demonstrate the stuff using a particular song by Vashem Mitchell. I think Michael Stampley was there as well. So they both sang the song on the key of B major. So we're sticking to the same key, and let's just do it right now. Okay.
Oh, say our God is greater. Our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any. Awesome in power. Our God. And if our God is for us, then
I hope you get it. That's just it.